tell you something. One thing about me, I'm gonna stay sucker free.
I'm taking off like I'm sucker free. Nigga RT, put a V8 in my hood, make it speed. On the freeway with the shit, fuck a street. We ain't get three, so ain't no can take off. Turn up the bass, make it beat. Finna hit up triple D, he let down the back seat. Hit him burn out every week. So if your ass wanna see me, that's set to get deep. Skate, skate, go. Let's race what you look at my tail lights.
What's up with YouTube? It's your boy Sucker Free. Back with another video, man. Cutlass once again, man. We're getting that thing on done. Getting it done, man. Don't mind them, man. They over there. We just ain't got them on right now. But let's get into it, man. We got the fresh carpet. Fresh carpet in the Cutlass, man. Yeah, sir. Fresh carpet in the Cutlass. We've been working, man. I've been doing a lot of stuff. I really been trying to get it done more than record, so I don't be recording step by step, man. I just try to rush it. I mean, not rush it, but get it done, then record, you know what I'm saying, a lot at one time. But like I said, we got the new carpet in here. What else I done did? We got the new glass. Let me show y'all this new glass we got up in here, man. Show y'all the new glass. Crystal clear glass. Man, speaking on this, let me show y'all something, man. The dude who put the glass in, he cut my dash, bro. This was y'all know this dash new. The dude cut my dash on this side. Let me go over here. He cut it on the other side. He cut it on both sides. So I'm waiting on them. Cause he gonna pay for that, you feel me? He cut it right here. Y'all see back there? Now he cut back down through there. And then, back over there. Then he cut another spot on the A-pillar. He cut my A-pillar too. He cut my A-pillar like right here. I don't know if you get the camera, yeah, you can see it right there. But y'all know all this is fresh. I ain't do that shit he did. But this that new carpet I got up in here, man. Gray. Yes, it's wrinkled right now. Yes, it's wrinkled. But we gonna get it all together. It's a little dirty too, cause when he put the glass in, he had rubber flying everywhere. But we gonna get all that up out of here. I got it from Auto Custom Carpet. Check them out online, y'all. Building the OCD carpet. That's the spot to go to, but they got any color you can think of, except for the color I wanted. So I had to go with gray. Yeah, I didn't want gray at first. I wanted a different color, but I went with gray. The fit made pretty good on it. You know what I'm saying? Once you put them seals on, the little door thing right there, it go up under there. But it don't come with the hose, so you gotta cut your hose for your seat belts. What else? Yeah, that's basically just all the seatbelt hose. You gotta call seatbelt hose up. Like this right here. Had to cut that out. Same one over there. Had to cut that side out. You had to cut them for the bolts and stuff. You gotta cut all of that yourself. Also got the door motors on. Will be electric windows going on. So we got the motors in. This is a universal kit. I think it's called like $60-70 from Amazon. I ain't got it all wired up, but it do work. I ain't got it wired up because you gotta take the door back off when you paint the car. So I ain't want to have all that wire running, and he gonna have to take it off. So I just save time and not completely ran it. But I did have it hooked up, tested it. All the wires right there in that next seat right there. But it do work. They roll at pretty at a pretty decent speed, man. I mean faster than they rolling up before. I mean they be like this, rolling them up quick. Now we just hit that button, man. They roll up these the buttons right here. That's what they look like. This is what the buttons look like right there. That's for the passenger side. The driver side got two for the driver and the passengers. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we got the fresh carpet. I put the door motors on there. We got the fresh glass. What else I did? I sent all my seats off to get done. This seat will not be going in here. That seat will not be going in here. I just got them in here for now. This in there, so I just move the car where I'm doing. I just sat that back there to try to shape the back, but that seat ain't going either. Like I say, this seat for sale, and the top piece, the top rear piece over there for sale. So if y'all need a Camaro seat, man, come get it. I don't need it. All my seats getting done already at the wrap shop. In the trunk we got, got the bag hooked up. We got them 12s, them Scar 12s, man, with the sound speakers. I'm tripping. I'm saying sound speakers. That's for the those speakers and all that. That's for the bass right there. I will be running a second battery. I just tested that. I just tested this, and boy, Whew, that boy dropped 14 to 10 every beat. So we're gonna put a second battery somewhere back here. We gonna dress it up real nice. It ain't gonna just be looking retarded like this. I got a whole bunch of wood. So we gonna make, you know what I'm saying, some custom looking, nice looking stuff. Yeah, the battery gonna probably go over here somewhere. That's a Scar 2000 watt. That's a Scar 5000 watt 4-channel for all my dope speakers. What else we got? This is all my stuff. All the boxes, everything new. Everything new now. You know what I'm saying? Everything new. What else we done did? Shit, I think that's about it. I mean, I did a lot of shit. Y'all ain't never seen it. Let me go ahead and show y'all everything. Like I say, when that bass was hit, boy, it sit at 14. Every time I hit it, boom, boom, boom. That boy was flying back. This my start button right here, man. That's how you start the car, man. We going remote start with it. This right here, this other little button right here. And yes, we do some good installs, man. We got the heat shrink on there, so we ain't got no problems with nothing. This right here, that's for all my LED stuff. Feel what I'm saying? So everything gonna light up in here. That's what that is. It's gonna go on my center console right there. And it's gonna go on my center console on the other side, like over here. So it's gonna be like, you know what I'm saying, like that right there. I got the shit cut out for my door speakers. I ain't ran them yet either, cause you know he still gotta take the door off. I ran a wire, so we put the door, it's just gonna hang out. So we good on that. Like I say, seat sent off to get done. Center console sent off to get done. My lower door panel sent off to get done. I still gotta get some upper door panels made. We ain't did that yet. We gonna do that. My headliner is on the way. It's supposed to arrive today, but I don't know what time. So we gonna go fill this all in. This is for the sunroof, of course. Y'all see it there. That's for the sunroof. We're gonna probably mount this up here once the headliner come in. I really was thinking about putting the damn shit for the windows and center console too, but I don't want to put too much shit out here. So we're just gonna put them on the door like regular. And then I'm just gonna have these two buttons right here, right in front of my cup holders just sitting there. Oh yeah, this the PC cutoff. We found the PC cutout, but shit, hey man, this is gonna cost me too much money to get this whole dash took out, rewrapped, and put back in. And they ain't trying to really come up no bread. That man told me with how 300 sound. Nigga, that's what I paid to get the glass put in. Nigga, you got to pay for this dash you done messed up, my boy. You tripping. You feel me? Them boys is tripping, man. Goddamn me. But yeah, this is what we got going, man. We got the carpet in. It's wrinkled right now, cause you know what I'm saying, I ain't even steamed it or nothing. I just got to sit up in here. But the seatbelt said we got all the side trim, all the interior pieces in. I got to take this off to go get that redid. We ain't gonna bullshit with that. Everything did, like I said, this button right here, cut them lights on. Everything wired up for them. Gonna cut them lights on. The sucker free TV gonna light up. We gotta buy me a diffuser, cause I kinda can see the bulb through there, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to be able to see that. I kind of get, see how you light spaced out, you can see it through there. I don't want to be able to see it like that, so we're going to have to switch that up. Put a diffuser or something back there so you can't really see it. Man, we rolling, man. We rolling. My rims should be ready this month for sure, because I ordered them beginning of April. So we should get the rims back this month. Yeah. We should get the rims back this month. And shit, we rolling, man. I ain't gonna say we rolling, but I still gotta get it painted and shit. That's really all I'm waiting on. Painting rims. You know what I'm saying? Paint rims, interior, all that. Everything come back from the wrap shop. And like I say, man, this seat right here not going in. You need this seat, come get it. You go with that red one over there. But this seat right here, man, I had a guy hit me up before. I'm gonna hit you back once I'm done, cause I need it right now, you know. Cause I ain't got my new ones in. I ain't putting them into the car ready to roll, so I'm just gonna be using this for right now. You know what I'm saying? But after that, then I'm gonna come your way. You can get them off me. I got this passenger too. Passenger in better condition than the driver's seat. Driver's seat got a few sides a little messed up on that. But I think you said you just wanted it for the mount, so you know what I'm saying, whatever you want to do with it, bro. It's whatever, bro. They right there. New steering wheel coming. That got to go. Hey man, this system hit too, boy. This system hit. I don't even want to test it no more. I ran around the block with it. Woo. Woo. It don't really. I don't know if it hit like that. Like that DD audio I had, but it hit pretty good. See, this whole system cost the price of that DD audio speaker. So you know what I'm saying. That should tell you. But that motherfucker hit though. It hit though. We gonna get that second battery hooked up, and then we gonna let y'all get it run. Let y'all test it out, man. That boy hit real good, real good. Still gotta get all this painted, you know. This all the old paint my dad put on a long time ago. That chameleon. I don't know if y'all can really see, but yeah, that's that old paint. But everything looking good. We got all the tint took off. Took all the tint off. But we ain't doing no tint, man. I pay all the money for the inside to look that good. Y'all gonna see it. We'll have the AC working, so don't trip on the AC. We will be in there feeling good in the summertime. Shit, I think that's it, man. Just stay tuned, man. Video dropping soon. Picking up the rims, man. Let y'all see them. Video dropping soon. Coming with the interior. Video dropping. I ain't gonna say soon on the paint, but I don't know how long it gonna take on that. But yeah, we just waiting on everything. I'm waiting on my guy who gonna paint. He said give him 2 weeks. He told me that last week, so in a week I'll drop the car for paint. And then shit, we rolling. But I do want to say this, man. I need help. I'm trying to find some new chrome trim, man, that go around the rim. I can't find none new nowhere, man. I can't find new nowhere. Like, I can't find it at all. This is 85 Cutlass, man. So if you don't say, I'm trying to say I got some that's used but good condition. I want some new ones, man. But these in good condition. I just want that fresh chrome to hit hard, you know? It's like, you know, I want some fresh chrome like this right here. This piece right here going to the door. This piece right here, this chrome here going to the door. You feel me? But shit, that chrome ain't really hitting hard enough for me, man. I need some brand new chrome, you feel what I'm saying? Ain't nothing like that new chrome. I get what I'm saying, that chrome sit right there, but it ain't really hitting hard. It ain't really busting, and it got some dents off in it, you know what I'm saying? A few dents off in it, so I'm really trying to just go and get everything redid. Go and get everything new. These spots right here, these things, they done. They ain't going back in the car. I ordered some more. They're supposed to be here today. Them hoes are crazy out of there. They did it up, so I was like, let me just go and buy some more of these. I found these quick, bought these. These shits, nah, we can't do them. So we got some more of them. This is my side windows right here. Everything. Glass, man, no tint. We gotta clean this one up though. Clean that one up. I gotta make sure he paint around his edge too. You see he got that chameleon on the edge. Make sure he paint around that. Make sure he paint around that, man. But we getting it all together, man. We getting it all together. Y'all see how I got the good looking everything in there? Everything looking good. But shit, we just really just slapping together videos for y'all, cause you know, let y'all see the bill, see the progress on everything. iPad, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, iPad looking good. That right there, this gauge thing, it's not gonna be there for long, cause we going with the auto meter. I'm throwing this auto meter up from here, auto meter and vision. That be big though. It's a big ass digital. That hoe gonna be way down here with it. But we gonna slap that off in there, so we ain't gonna have that down there. I don't really want that down there. But everything do work on it. Let me show y'all. Everything do work, but we don't even want it. You know what I'm saying? Let me let y'all see something real quick. I don't know how loud that goddamn car is. I hope y'all can hear me. Pause that. My damn bass now, I bet. Let me let y'all see how this motherfucker drop hard when that bass hit. I got the bass turned all the way down on the bass line right now. put the bass down. We're gonna have this somewhere in front of here too. Yo, I ain't trying to get copyright real quick. Hold up. Hold up. Yeah, they can't copyright that, cause that's my shit. Sir. They can't copyright me, baby. I see that. Because the bass ain't hitting on it. Watch when this bass hit.
I'm taking off like I'm sucker free. Nigga RT, put a V8 in my hood, make it speak. On the freeway with the shit from the street. We ain't get 3, so ain't no contagion. Turn up the bass, make it beat. Then hit up triple D, hit her down the back seat. Hit a burnout every week. So if your ass wanna see me, that's set to get teeth. Skit, go. Nigga, let's race what you get my tail. Lights, watch this. Try, good try, good shit.
I just burnt out. I'm off the top. Hey. See the little gas. Put my foot in it. I burnt out. See the little donut. Alright. Y'all get the picture. It hit. But shit, it hit that battery too hard. It hit that battery too. We gonna get that right. We gonna put the battery up in there. I had a second battery. I mean, I got some extra batteries. But I ain't putting none bullshit up in there. But we gonna put one of them excess power D3100s up in there again, like I had in the Challenger. Get another one of those and put it off in the back of there. Cause we don't want no issue when it's time to roll. That boy right, man. We got that boy right. But shit, I guess that's it. That's it for this video, man. Y'all see something? See something y'all don't like? Let me know. See something y'all like? Let me know, man. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Give me a like, give me a comment, give me a subscribe. Tag this app, but we gonna get that done once we get everything done. I'm gonna take it to the my spot, get everything right on it. I will not be having this no more. We getting classy plates, man. We don't need that no more. Let me see what else. I might need some else help, some more help with something. Just the wheel trim, man. If y'all can find that wheel trim, let me know. Cause I see a lot of Cutlasses out here, they don't keep their wheel trim. I'm keeping mine. I don't know why they don't do that, but I'm keeping mine. We're gonna have that thing looking real good on them rims with the chrome lip. Ooh, baby. With that chrome lip on there, man, it's gonna be hitting like no other. Hitting like no other. But like I say, one more thing before I go. If you need these seats, let me know. If you need these seats, let me know. If you need these third panels, let me know. What else I got that can go? That's about it. That's about it. That's about it, man. Keep your fire extinguisher in your old school, man. My partner shit burnt the fuck up on his ass. He ain't had no fire extinguisher, man. Keep you a fire extinguisher, man. We got the big boy, and we got the little boy back there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all see that? Yeah, the little boy right there. The little boy back there. Got the little boy now. We gonna keep us one, for sure, for sure. But yeah, that's it, man. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all watched the whole thing. Let me see, this gonna tell me if y'all watch the whole video. Get in the comments and say, Sucker Free is the man in the comments. And tell me if you watched the whole video. Yeah, get in the comments and say Sucker Free is the man. And that'll tell me if you watched this whole video, man. If you ain't skipped, well, you might skip to the end, shit, I don't know. But that'll tell me if you watched this part. That's how it is, I know that. Gotta get some new windshield wipers because these is out of there. Out of there. But yeah, let me go on in this video before I just keep talking about nothing that ain't important. That's it, man. Holla at y'all.
I'll tell you something. One thing about me, I'm gonna stay sucker free.
I'm taking off like I'm sucker free. Nigga RT, put a V8 in my hood, make it speak. On the freeway with the shit fuck the street. We ain't get 3, so ain't no contagion. Turn up the bass, make it beat. Then hit up triple D, he let down the back seat. Hit a burnout every week. So if your ass wanna see me, that's set to get teeth. Skit, go. Let's race what you look at my tail. Lights.